Morning, Advent day 5. As you can see, I found myself the proper job. I can just sit here and watch the world go by with my feet up on a wonderful leather cube from Owen Barry. So leather cubes are the Advent offer today, and they are half price, reduced from £199 down to £99, and we're doing them in two colours, the milk white and the dark Maron Brown. When I say dark, it is a kind of just an ordinary dark chocolate kind of colour. Not, I would say, Bourneville. It's definitely just I don't know, I only eat chocolate, I'm not the colour expert. So all been filled, so fairly lightweight, making it easily transportable, but as well as you saw me using it as a footstool.
And they are both the same size, the white one looks bigger.
Oh.
The film looks bigger.
So I'm being told that an optical illusion, the white one looks bigger than the brown one. They aren't, they're both the same size. It's just a trick of the camera. So the size would be, have I told them the price?
No.
I haven't. Yeah, I have.
I
Yeah,
have.
and not the size. So it's 42 centimeters ish by 42, of course, by 42 and 42 high. So obviously, as they spread out a bit, they do go slightly wider. But that is the dimensions, all filled with beans. They are leather all over, so good strong upholstery leather, and everything, as you know, all the beans are tucked in behind the very tight Velcro. With a chute as well. So there's a chute with a double, so we got double Velcro to stop any escapee beans, or to stop any little fingers going in and letting the beans loose to escape into the big wide world. So two colours, the more designer colour, I suppose, the ivory, that will fit in modern, contemporary, and of course more traditional decor, and the brown that is just super practical, and again will fit in more of a homely palette texture, because it's more of a neutral, which makes it, I suppose, more practical. Thinking of that, you're thinking, are they cleanable? Because this is the ivory. Yes, they are, very much so. It's good upholstery leather, so warm soapy water on a damp cloth, you should be able to wipe off anything really. Try not to get it like filthy before you start. Don't follow my example, do as you're told. Try to keep it a little bit after the way, but really, yeah, they're super practical. You can wipe down any stains, any grubbiness, certainly from putting your feet up on it, any mud or anything like that. You haven't got to worry, it'll just go away. And of course, it's really hardy, so you're not going to scratch it or damage it in any way. I think that's a lot. Have I got anything else to tell them about it? No, I've covered it all. Covered it all. So that's it for today. 199 down to 99. Two really easy, practical leather cubes. Perfect for when the outlaws come for Christmas. You can put them in the corner, sit them on this, and
forget about them.
And forget about them. Some people love their in-laws, some people do. Yes, right. On that very emotive note, I'm going to say, have a super day, folks, and I'll see you tomorrow.